Hi everyone, this time it will be a monsoon hill station trip to Kurg Medicary.
Medicary, beautiful hill station. That's sport. Everybody is enjoying.
So we finally reached Medicary and it was looking very beautiful in the rains. I was doing my favorite part, that is walking in the rain.
Say bye.
अभी तो ये एक्साइटिंग ट्रिप शुरू हुआ है. Day 1 पे we rested and day 2 was all about exploring this small town.
The main town where all the shops are, and this is the view. Mr. Hills. Kodava dishes. Kodavas were the tribe of this particular area, and that.
On top of my list was Kodava cuisine and checking out so many small cafes. सबसे पहले we went to this Kurk cuisine restaurant and look how much Rohit is enjoying this amazing meal.
Rice roti. Mutton is amazing. Not so spicy.
Lunch के बाद touristy part. Our first spot was St. Mark's Church, which is very near to the old fort. अब थोड़ा सा टाइम हमने फोर्ट के आसपास निकाला. It was a small building and a beautiful garden. ओमकारेश्वर टेम्पल बहुत सुंदर था. आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस विजिट. वैसे तो मैं टूरिस्टी प्लेसेस हिल स्टेशन पे अवॉइड करती हूँ बिकॉज दे आर वेरी क्राउडेड. बट राजा सीट इज अ मस्ट विजिट बिकॉज ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल ग्रीनरी एंड द व्यू ऑफ दिस वैली. Next morning was again very beautiful. It was raining और हमने सारा टाइम वहाँ पे आसपास घूमते हुए निकाला. We found another amazing restaurant called as Tiger during our lunch time. And after that we were on our way to Bangalore. And finally the monsoon road trip begins. The path from Kurg to Bangalore during rainy season is like a dream. So many palm trees and beautiful sky. It makes it just perfect. And friends, do you know the famous Bollywood movie Sholay was shot at Ramnagar, which also comes on this route. I am already looking for those famous hills during this trip. रेन्स मुझे बहुत पसंद है. बारिश में घूमना, हिल स्टेशन, रोड ट्रिप सब कुछ हो गया. पर अभी भी मुझे एक अमेजिंग रेस्टोरेंट चेकआउट करना था, which was highly recommended by a friend. It's called as Kamath and it is very near to Bangalore. And here we are.
And it's raining.
सो गुड बाय फ्रेंड्स फॉर नाउ। ये ट्रिप यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है, बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो। We will come back soon with a new vlog from Kurg again on my stay at Club Mahindra, which was again very beautiful and green during the rainy season. Stay tuned for it.